Imagine stepping into a vibrant city where ancient traditions meet modern hustle and bustle. Bangkok, the capital of Thailand, is a treasure trove of experiences waiting to be explored. We are going to discover the 10 best things to do during 3 unforgettable days in Bangkok on the low budget. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or visiting for the first time, Bangkok captivates with its rich culture, diverse attractions, and delectable cuisine. In just 3 days, you can immerse yourself in the city's unique charm, from historic temples to bustling markets. Get ready to fill your itinerary with adventures that will leave you with lasting memories of Thailand's most dynamic city. Everyday budget, defined as approximately 15 to 30 US dollars per day for food, transportation, and entrance fees. The primary objective is to compile a diverse list of highly rated attractions and experiences that offer significant value and insight into Thai culture. The findings highlight a diverse range of activities, each with unique costs, characteristics, and cultural value. To effectively compare these options and facilitate itinerary planning, a dimensional analysis is the most appropriate framework. It provides a clear, at-a-glance comparison that helps in structuring a well-balanced and efficient travel plan. Let's discover the 10 best activities in Bangkok. First activity to do. You plan to visit Wat Pho, Temple of the Reclining Buddha. It's an iconic cultural and religious site, home to the reclining Buddha and traditional Thai massage. It has entrance fee, 10 USD for foreigners, and open daily from 8 a.m. to 7:30 p.m. Allow 1 to 2 hours for your visit. It's a 5-minute walk from the Grand Palace. It's one of Bangkok's oldest and largest temples, featuring a 46-m reclining Buddha and the birthplace of Thai massage. Second activity to do is to explore the Grand Palace and Wat Phra Kaew. You can do guided walking tour, 1.5 hours, explores architecture and culture with small groups. Entry fee starting at $15, includes hotel pickup and entrance fees. You can plan for 1.5 hours of guided touring and leaving plenty of time to explore the area. It's a top cultural heritage site with a 4.5 out of 5 rating and considered the #1 must-see attraction. Third activity to do. You can climb Wat Arun, Temple of Dawn. You can climb the central Prang for spectacular views of the river and city and enjoy free views from across the river. Its entrance fee is 4 US dollars to climb and free to view from the opposite riverbank. You can plan this for less than 1 hour per visit. It's an iconic landmark, ranked as the #1 thing to do in Bangkok. Fourth activity to do. Walk through Chatuchak Weekend Market. Popular market to visit in Chatuchak, Bangkok. Affordable shopping and food options make it budget-friendly. Open Saturdays and Sundays from 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. One of the world's largest weekend markets, with approximately 15,000 stalls across 27 zones. Fifth activity to do. Stroll through Lumphinie Park. Enjoy leisurely walks, jogging, cycling, 10 a.m. to 3 p.m., and free paddle boating. Entry is free. Paddle boats rent for 2 US dollars per 30 minutes. Food stalls nearby. A short walk from Silom Lumphinie MRT and Sala Dang BTS stations. Bangkok's first central park, covering 58 hectares with about 400 monitor lizards. Number 6 activity to do is to explore Chinatown for street food. Experience acclaimed street food in Chinatown. Meals cost between $1.10 to $4.10 at street vendors, compared to over 8 US dollars at tourist markets. Best enjoyed at night, especially after 5 p.m. when stalls open. A culinary hotspot, the world's largest Chinatown with Michelin-featured stalls. Number 7 activity to do is to Visit Wat Saket, Golden Mount. Discover this spiritual and cultural landmark with panoramic views of Old Bangkok. The entry fee is $3, fitting within budget activities under $10. Plan for 1 to 2 hours to visit. Consider combining with nearby temples. The man-made ATM Golden Mount offers 360-degree city views. Number 8 activity to do is to discover the charm of Klong Lat Mayom Floating Market, where you can indulge in delicious local foods, take relaxing boat rides, and browse unique crafts. Enjoy dishes priced between $2-4 USD and experience a peaceful boat ride for just $3 lasting about 30 to 45 minutes. Situated only 20 to 35 minutes from the city center, it's easy to reach by BTS and a short taxi or Grab ride. Unlike the more crowded Damnoen Saduak, this market offers a genuine and authentic local atmosphere. Number 9 activity to do is to get a traditional Thai massage. A must-do experience in Bangkok, combining stretching, acupressure, and relaxation. Prices range from $14 at Lake Massage to $2,800 and many options under $50. Many spas are conveniently located near BTS stations like Chit Lom, From Phong, and Siam. High in cultural significance and therapeutic value, offering diverse options. Number 10 activity to do is to take a charming ride on the Chao Phraya River with local ferries that are both budget-friendly and authentic. You can enjoy a hop-on, hop-off experience for about $5 or pay between $1 to $4 for each ride, making it an affordable way to see the sights and soak in the lively atmosphere. From Sathorn to N13 Pier takes about 30 minutes, boats run frequently.